Hi all, welcome to Hello World series. Today the problem statement is I already have some GitHub repo or Git repo on any of the server like github.com, Bitbucket, GitLab or Sembla, and I want to connect from my local machine. So that's all summary statement for my problem. In last tutorial, we talked about how to create a new user on github.com. So now onwards, we'll be focusing on github.com, not on Assembla and other providers, because our interest in this series is only on github.com or GitHub and Git. So in this tutorial we will see which software do I need to connect to any of the repo which is hosted already on GitHub, Bitbucket, Assembler or GitLab, and that software I call as client. So this is my suppose GitHub repo or Bitbucket or GitLab or Assembler. So any one of them is called as Git servers. Okay, and I need to connect to Git servers from my local machine, so I would need some software. I can go to website of GitHub like github.com or Bitbucket or GitLab, but again that is not very smooth solution because every time I cannot do all the operations using browser, so I need some interface like command interface or GUI interface. So first one is this terminal or git bash is git bash, which is my command interface to connect to GitHub, and second one is git GUI. Next is tortoise git and egit. So these are used for different purposes. So nowadays what happens is we get plugins or inbuilt client software inside our IDEs. So Eclipse comes with egit already, and WebStorm, if you use for your UI coding, then it comes with its own plugin to connect to Git server. So we will see all that in detail. So this is my git bash, this is git GUI, tortoise git client, GitHub Desktop, and Eclipse git plugin, which is nothing but egit. So in next tutorial we'll talk about all these git clients in details and how to perform necessary operations like check in, check out, delete, check history using these, and if I'm using Eclipse, if I'm using a WebStorm, if I'm using command line, if I'm using Notepad, what all clients I can use to talk to my Git repo. So this is all from this video, and in next video we'll start our journey on Git clients basically. So first we'll try to install all the clients one by one, and first we'll install git bash and git GUI. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.